Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. Here comes our new video series on flower names in Korean language. Flowers not only add beauty to our surroundings but also carry cultural significance and symbolism. In the first couple of videos of this series, we will explore the diverse array of flower names in Korean. Then we will delve into their meanings, cultural context and much more. So whether you are a language enthusiast, a nature lover or simply curious about Korean culture, join us as we embark on this colorful journey through the world of flowers in Korean. So let's start with the first part. Here comes the Korean word for flower, and that is 꽃. 꽃. Okay. Next comes the Korean word for hibiscus, and that is 무궁화. 무궁화. Remember one thing which is very important. Hibiscus, that is 무궁화, is the national flower of South Korea. Okay, so it becomes very important in Korean culture. Next comes the Korean word for rose, and that is 장미. 장미. Now let's move ahead and see how you are going to say orchid in Korean, and that is 난초. 난초. Next comes the word for daisy, and it is called daisy. daisy. As you can see, it is a loan word. Okay, so it is very easy to remember. Next comes the Korean word for hydrangea, and that is 수국. 수국. Now let's see how you're going to say cherry blossom in Korean, and that is 벚꽃. 벚꽃. Many of you might know this, that cherry blossoms are a sight to see in Korea. In spring season, Korea is full with cherry blossoms. Okay, so again, it is a very important flower in Korean culture. Next comes the Korean word for lotus, and that is 연꽃. 연꽃. Okay, now let's move ahead and see the Korean word for lily, and it is called 백합. 백합. Next comes the word for Forsythia in Korean, and it is 개나리. 개나리. Okay, next comes the Korean word for Dahlia, and that is Dahlia. Dahlia. You can see it is also a Korean loan word. Next comes the word for violet, and that is 제비꽃. 제비꽃. And the last one, but not the least one, the Korean word for cosmos, and that is 코스모스. 코스모스. Again, a loan word. Okay, so today we learned the names of different flowers in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.